How to add apps shortcut to desktop in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can add apps shortcut to desktop on Windows 11. So without any further delay, let's get into this video. Click on this Windows or Start icon in your device. Now once you have done that, there is a button that says All. Click on it. Now you will find all of the applications that is installed in your device. Select the application that you want to create the shortcut for. So for example, I have this Messenger application right here. Now to create its shortcut on the desktop, click on it, and then you have to drag it to your desktop. There you go. And here now you have shortcut for this application on your desktop. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.